Trade with Crazii version 10.4 review of the 2nd of May markets. All right, we're going to go into the revision and hope you guys can understand how to use the system better. All right, so let me just go to that screen right now. Just give me a minute. All right. Okay, so this is actually go on last Friday, and then go through with you how it works here on last Friday. So last Friday, we can see very clearly that the market did a doji, and we have the market trading the MLP, and then it rejected by that, and also it went past the MA30. So we'll go through all this and see how we trade. But a very important thing is that because the KSI is red, KCX is black, so the conflicting signal here, but KSI has a higher weightage. Hence, therefore, when KSI is red in color, when you're buying itself, you take profit along the way, your lot size reduce. But when you're selling itself, you can have a heavier weightage on the size and you can let profit runs. Yeah, so that's how it works. Okay, so let's go to gold. Now this is gold for the entire day itself. So let's show you the entire day movement. Let's zoom into details. All right, for the start of the day, remember the first 1 hour don't really trade gold, so avoid trading gold in the first 1 hour. So at the second hour itself, we saw a 4 diamond over here, and by right, if you draw a line across it, you draw it properly. You have this, right? So the market, if you bought it here, nothing wrong because it's above OP and it was going up. But this is MLP that is actually the MA. Sorry, the MA is residing here itself. So once the market touches the MA, the green dots will always appear, and that's to inform you that the market is going to go into this direction or this direction soon. So you must make a choice here itself. And in this case, you can notice that once the market goes below the line of the diamond and it turns red color, it's time for you to sell. And truth be told, the market really fell. Now, by right, it should be able to touch the KTR -1 rather easily, but it failed to do that. And that's something to take note, guys. Remember I told you about the standard deviation, whereby the goal itself got the +1 and -1 theory, and it's an 80 to 85% chance that you'll go to +1 or -1. So when the gold price actually came down and failed to go down to KTR -1, that was where I know that something is wrong. And I saw the KCX bottoming over here. And when the blue diamond appear, we draw a line and you can see that it stays below the line. That was fine. But later on, another 4 diamond appear, and this time around you can see it's different. The market is now above the line and KSI is green, KCX is black. I know that this is going to go up. So for the short that I had over here, I cover back immediately. I know something is wrong, and I flip to a strong buy over here itself, and I take partial profit at the MA30, and then the remaining was done at KTR +1. Right? Do you understand this? Because you can see when it was going down itself, the KSI was red. That is fine, but then now it's going up itself, the thing turned back to buyer market itself. You can see that, and that's when the market rush. And because it missed the KTR -1, I know that go to KTR +1 is very, very high. All right. So this is a very, very important exercise that you must take note. Yeah. Okay. Then we move forward, and you can see that there was another 4 that was previously, and this is a bigger screen. I can just take that away. This is this. Okay, so this part later. Okay, so later part itself, you can see what happened. There was a 4 diamond here. You draw a line, and by right, if you buy, that's fine. But once you reject, turns red, you see the market really comes back down. Okay, so when you see that diamond again, draw the line. If it stays below the line, don't bother. When you stay above, you buy, and it went up. Then it went sideways for quite a while. It didn't hit the stop loss at all. And then a new 4 diamond appear, and then you draw the line across it. Same thing again. If you hold a position buy, this way you take your profit, okay, for the buy side itself. All right. And then this is the second part of the day, whereby you saw the market at 4 diamond here. You draw a line across it. So at the start, if you buy here, nothing wrong, totally is good. But once the market failed to go higher, it come back down, breaks below the line. KSI turns red, bar turns red, KCX turns blue. This is a confirmed sell signal. So you can see that the market did try to go above it, but fail. In fact, if you draw it properly, you can see the rejection trade here. This is the best. I always love those rejection trade. It means when the market is a white line here, if you buy, it goes up and comes back down and go up again. This buy is always a very strong buy. So vice versa, if the market is up, then come down, you know, then after that, sorry, if it goes up, it's a buy, it's a sell. come down, back down here, recover here, come down. This sell will be fantastic. Yeah. Okay. So this is why I'm saying that the difference of rejection trade. So in this case, the market really rejected the market. So I should show it. I show it accurately. So this is where you put a white line here and you draw, right? Can you see now the rejection? Yes. Very nice. So the market rejected here. Boom. The price cost and the market really sell. Now, why it stopped here? Because this is the MA30. So once the MA30 is triggered, remember there's only two directives, either this way or this way. The market chose up instead. So that's why you should cover back your position. And after that, it came back down again, stop at the MA, and again, the market moved this way. All right, so you can see that as long as you have the system understanding here as well, you will know exactly what to do for the entire intraday. And of course, it's toward the end of the day, the market has a diamond here. That's why the market came down all the way to KTR -1. So you can see it's very powerful at the diamond, and you just sell according to plan. Of course, in the last part of the day, normally we don't trade at all. So don't trade the last 1 hour or so because you'll be sideways for gold, right? Unless it's some speculative reason or because of some wars ongoing and stuff like that. Okay, guys. So I hope this revision will help you a lot and let you understand how to trade the market, the Crazii system better. Okay, that'll be all for today. Take care and bye-bye.